How you going, mate? I'm Marty anyway.
Good. Nice to meet you.
How you going?
Yeah, good. Mate, it's all good. It's all part of it. It's all part of it, mate. Look on the camera. What's up? Say it.
Okay, yep.
Today we are taking the Cfmoto 675 to one of our local meets that happen every sort of month at the Starbucks or the Burger Urge in Toowoomba. So very excited to show people the Cfmoto 675 because a lot of people still don't know about this bike, which is kind of a little weird, but still kind of awesome to show people what the 675 is like in person instead of showing it like in photos or like pictures or like in sales ads and stuff. So be at the meet by 5 p.m. I'm going to see what shows up, and there's going to be some footage from the event and the meetup from there in this video. Maybe some interactions or stuff like interactions with people and stuff that'll probably know of kind of what we've been doing since then. But yeah, we're going to get the 675 all ready for its meet. I haven't cleaned this bike yet, but we're probably going to have to just leave it because it's getting to a point where it's probably getting too late to be able to clean it now. So, I mean, it's not too bad. It's got like a little bit of dirt here and there, but other than that, it's still pretty good. And I don't think it's going to matter too much because it is grey. Because it is grey, it's not going to show like how dirty it is and that, not that very well. So we're just going to give it a start up, let it idle for a little bit, and then, yeah, then probably head to the meet after that.
Hey! As we spoke before, today we are taking the 2025 Cfmoto 675Sr to one of our local monthly meetups. Toowoomba Bike Enthusiast has been around for a long time. They have been around ever since I had my first bike or ever since I did my pre-learner course. They've been around for a long time. And they have a fair few amount of following people or people who are interested in this group. And these guys do everything from beginner, advanced, intermediate, you know, like they do everything. They do like learners, beginners, you know. They even have a dedicated kind of learner night where they teach a lot of learners. Alright, I'm pretty sure we have arrived. I don't know how many people are going to be here, but we'll see. Hey! What's going on, bro? How you doing, man? Hey?
How are you?
Good, man. What's happening?
Good, nothing.
You get to see it finally?
Hey?
Get to see it finally?
Yeah, sick.
It's a lot better in person, hey?
It definitely is.
Don't worry, exhaust is coming soon, bro. Don't worry about it. Got it. Van Diemen.
Van
Diemen.
Diemen?
Yeah. $2,000 exhaust system.
That's huge, yeah.
But I might wait till Boxing Day and I'll see what happens. I reckon if I wait till Boxing Day, it might come down significantly. So I don't know. I might be waiting. Because it's nice when you're on the bike because you can hear the note.
Yeah.
But when someone's like, "Oh, bro, give it a rev," I don't want to give it a rev because it sounds like a vacuum cleaner.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. All right.
All right, bro. Have a good one, hey. I'll see you later, hey. We're parked up. We're here. We've got it all going on.
How you going, mate? I'm Marty anyway.
Good. Nice to meet you.
How you going?
Yeah, good. Awesome. I bought that for like what, 12,000? I think brand new.
They look
Crazy,
and now
eh?
they've got the 1,000 horse. They reckon it's got like
I'm buying it.
10 horsepower.
I'm buying it.
Someone hurt their feelings, eh?
I'm buying it. Don't worry. I'm buying when the 1000cc V4 comes out. When the 1000cc V4 comes out, I'm buying it.
Yep.
Because I was tossing up between the Fireblade RR ISP.
Yep.
Or the 1000cc V4 Cfmoto.
Yep.
And I'm like, man, that V4 looks crazy. Whee! Yeah. Bro's sick, I think, maybe.
Getting a new helmet.
What? Holy shit, dude.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
First time actually wearing it. I got it
Actually, that was what I was going to say before. I was like, I don't recognize him, and then I saw that, and I was like, what does it feel like on your helmet? Like, what does it feel like?
Oh, it's good. It actually fits my head properly. I
Yeah.
have my glass on. It's
That is sick, man.
It's very nice colour.
So is that like a red carbon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Only one in Australia. The only
What?
one in
This
Australia.
one?
They do not sell this helmet in Australia.
Holy bro's got it down pat real good. It's crazy. Hey, what's going on? Hey.
It's not as clean as last time.
Nah, look, bro. Look at this. Look.
It's dirty.
Actually,
Dirty as your mom is dirty.
my cameras are picking it up. What do we think of today's meet? What do you reckon? What do you think of today's meet? Pretty good?
Yeah.
It's pretty good?
Good fun. All the fun boys are here.
You should have seen the comments you got on that video we made. Oh my god. Everyone's like, Austin was a lot faster than this. And I'm like, you guys are so funny. I was sitting there, I was just like, bro.
Mate, it was just pure rage, bait.
That's what I mean, like, it's just pure rage bait. But I actually looked into it. I was like, surely the 450 SR is going to beat the R7 on a track related, right? Yeah, it does. It does, track related.
funny thing,
And they're like, no, but it's about top speed, man.
No, it's not.
No, it's not. No, it's
Mate,
not.
straight
I
like
have
Warriors.
1,000. I have more top speed than everyone.
Yeah.
No. No.
Whoa. Not bad, huh? Bro, did you see the new ZX6R?
10R.
Oh my god. Disgusting. Hey. What's going on?
Oh, mate.
Usual?
I've only got a week left for me learning.
Oh, congratulations, bro. That's huge. When I was looking at this originally, they came with an option with either E-clutch or 60 manual transmission. Now, when you go to buy one, they are only 6-speed E-clutch. You can only buy them in E-clutch models now. They're actually not even separate anymore. You have to buy the E-clutch model.
I don't like
Which
it
is-
at mine.
What is bro leaving?
No, I'll be back.
You'll be back.
Yeah, I'm going to get a learner and a billion.
What are you doing?
Go and get a learner and a billion.
Ah, okay. Alright. Are you leaving?
Yep.
Oh. This guy's
Well,
leaving.
stopping in for like half an hour.
Everyone booed him. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, man.
Have a good one.
Catch you, bro. This guy. Look at this guy.
Seen you in a while, mate.
I've been good, man. I've been just creating shit.
Yeah, no, I've been watching. You
Content
still haven't
shit.
run into you.
Haven't you?
No.
Bro, this guy.
We rode up your road the other day, and I
Did
was
you
like,
actually?
if he comes, I'm going to be so happy. And then you did.
Oh, bro.
Although we did dodge the coppers.
Oh, what the f is this guy doing? Bro's breaking the laws or something.
We were
Yeah.
doing breathalyzers, and we were like, nope.
Yeah, that's Well, if you guys don't know, this is Toowoomba Bike Enthusiasts. They host a meet every single month down here next to Starbucks and Burger Edge in Wilsonton. So if you want to come to a local bike meet, that's definitely what you're up to, then feel free to come down. Make sure you join the group, Toowoomba Bike Enthusiasts. They host a lot of weekly, monthly sort of stuff, and it's always learner friendly. So make sure you guys come and support them. If you are a biker, it's a great community to be part of. So make sure you go and check them out. They're always helpful, always got lots of information, especially for if you're a basic, intermediate or advanced rider, especially with learners and stuff too. So make sure you check them out. Give them a follow them, join the group. Doesn't matter what sort of bike you have, you know, it's always good to kind of just meet people who have different types of bikes and who are into different things. So that's what they're all about. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I'll catch you later, man. Hey? Under 200, he says. Oh, hey, that's tough.
I got like a shooting burst, so I get a few, like,
Yeah.
and we go through that.
Oh, hey, yeah, that's mad. I love that. That's sick, man.
That's awesome. Hey, yeah, I love that. That's mad.
Yeah, but
Hey, that is so sick.
I'm feeling like
Yeah, yeah.
you can go through yours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's sick. Alright, bro. All good.
Appreciate it,
No,
man.
it's alright, bro. I like collaborating with people, especially with people who give me photos, bro. I am in desperate need for photos, so.
It's around here.
Yeah, they won't mind, bro. They won't mind. Just ask them first. Alright, bro. Bro, the bubbles. So guys, that is it for today. That was Toowoomba Bike Enthusiasts monthly meetup that they do at the Burger Road and Starbucks in Wilsonton. So, and if you like today's video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay here for more. There's going to be more eventually. If you stay here, then you have a high chance of actually getting more content. Crazy, right?